Good morning! It's Wednesday again, and we're here for another What's New Wednesday video, the last one of 2020.
Speaking of which, we do have some news about our video schedule for 2021. We've learned a lot over the last 6 months of providing our daily videos, and we're going to use that knowledge to make 2021 even better.
Don't worry, we will still be posting something every day, but our schedule will be changing a little bit so we can focus our staff's time and energy on what our patrons need and want most.
The two of us will still be here every Wednesday morning to share all the library news and announcements, but you may notice a few changes with our other regular video series. You can find our full schedule at the event calendar on our website if you want to check that out.
We are going to continue to operate through curbside service only as we enter the new year, so as always, you can place holds on our online catalog or call us at 270-338-4760 to reserve your items and schedule a pickup appointment.
Good news though, we are going to continue to offer take-home kits for all ages in the new year.
Every month, we'll provide a limited number of surprise kits for adults. Make sure you follow us on social media so you can sign up for those kits when registration goes live. We have a limited number of those adult kits available, and sign up does go quickly.
Registration for January's kits begins next Monday, January the 4th. We'll be sharing the sign-up link that morning, and the kits will be ready for pickup the following week.
You can register anytime for the kits for other age groups, but today is actually the deadline to register for January's elementary and teen kits, so make sure you've signed up by 4 p.m. today if you want to receive the January giveaway.
We'll share that registration link in the video description, so make sure you go fill that out if you haven't already done so.
Elementary, middle, and high school students can get a free activity kit from us every month during the first week of the month. You'll only need to register once to receive all of the monthly kits that we give away.
Younger library users up to age 5 can also receive an activity kit every week by signing up at the same link. Again, you only need to sign up once to get a kit every week, at least through the spring.
Just remember, today is the deadline to sign up if you want to pick up those kits next week. We will be closed the rest of this week for the New Year's holiday, so we have to know by the end of the day today how many kits to prepare.
Finally, before we end today's video, we do have some more new materials to share with you. This week in new materials, we have Dark Tides by Philippa Gregory. It's book 2 in the Fairmile series. Set in 1670, this story takes place in the poverty and glamour of Restoration London, the streets of Venice, and the frontier of early America. The plot of the novel revolves around a lover's return, a stranger's allure, and a daughter's quest for the truth. Wyoming True by Diana Palmer is an opposites-attract love story involving a gruff rancher who has worked hard for his success and a small-town beauty with a bad reputation. As their relationship takes off, she worries if he'll see past the rumors. Fossil Men, The Quest for the Oldest Skeleton and the Origins of Humankind by Kermit, Pattison. A decade in the making, this is a non-fiction account of the discovery and investigation into Arti, an Ethiopian skeleton dated to 4.4 million years old. The discovery further explained human evolution, such as walking upright and nimble use of hands. And last, we have Let Us Dream, The Path to a Better Future by Pope Francis. Written during the COVID-19 pandemic, the leader of the Catholic Church explores what this crisis can teach us about how to handle an upheaval of any kind. He warns that returning back to the way things were pre-crisis could be detrimental if we don't make societal changes now.
That's all for today. Thanks for joining us. Have a great week and a Happy New Year.